Question number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degrees. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. Let A, B, C. B draw a triangle ABC in which angle A is 60 degree and height of 60 meter above the ground. 60 meter. CB is equal to 60 meter and L. We want to find the length of string. Let L be the length of string. AC is equal to L and CV is equal to 60 meter. In triangle ABC, AC upon CB is equal to PBP upon HB. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular AC upon CB, that is equal to cosecant 60 degree, cosecant theta. AC is L. B assume AC is equal to L. L be the length of string divided by CB is 60 meter, that is 60, and cosecant 60 degree is equal to, as we know that cosecant 60 degree is equal to 2 upon root 3. 2 upon root 3. We are multiplying 60 and 2. L is equal to 2 multiplied by 60 divided by root 3. This implies L is equal to 120 divided by root 3. We are rationalizing both sides, root 3, multiplying and divide. L is equal to 120 root 3 divided by root 3, that is root 3 square, and square root is cancelled, that is equal to 3. And we divide 120 by 3, 43s are 120, so length is equal to 40 root 3 meter. Answer. Let L be the length of string. We want to find value of AC and CB is 60 meter given and angle A is 60 degree. So in triangle ABC, AC upon CB is equal to cosecant theta. Angle is 60 degree. As we know that cosecant theta, value of cosecant 60 degree is equal to 2 upon root 3, and putting this 2 upon root 3, AC is L, L upon CB is 60 meter is equal to cosecant 60 equal to 2 upon root 3. 60 multiplying by 2, 62s are 120 and divide by root 3. We are rationalizing both sides, root 3 multiplying, root 3 divide, numerator and denominator both. We get 120 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 square, square root is cancelled, we get 3. And we divide 120 by 3, 43s are 120 and length of string is equal to 40 root 3 meter. Answer. Question number 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. A, B, C, D, E and F. (30 meter) total AE is equal to 30 meter. 30 meter tall building and 1.5 meter tall boy. BE is equal to 1.5 meter. So AB is equal to 30 minus 1.5. AB is equal to 28.5 meter. 28.5. We get AB is equal to 28.5 meter. And angle 30 degree to 60 degree. Angle increases 30 to 60. And find the distance he walked towards the building. In triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, AB upon BD is equal to tangent 30 degree. ABD triangle in which angle D is 30 degree. So AB upon BD is equal to tangent theta, tangent 30 degree. AB is equal to 28.5 divided by BD equal to value of tan 30, that is 1 upon root 3. This implies BD is equal to 28.5 multiplied by root 3, that is 28.5 root 3. It's equation number 1. And in another triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AB upon BC is equal to tangent 60 degree. We know that tangent 60 degree is equal to root 3. And value of AB, distance of AB is equal to 28.5 divided by BC equal to tangent 60 is root 3. This implies BC is equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. BC is equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. It's equation second. BD is equal to BC plus CD, and value of BD is 20. Putting the value of BD 28.5 root 3 is equal to, and value of BC is equal to 28.5 divided by root 3 plus CD. We are shifting this in left side, and CD is equal to 28.5 root 3, shifting left side, minus 28.5 divided by root 3. Taking common, and CD is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. Root 3 multiplied by root 3. This implies CD is equal to 28.5 3 minus 1 upon root 3. And this implies CD is equal to 28.5 into 3 minus 1 equal to 2 divided by root 3. Rationalizing both sides by root 3, we get implies CD equal to 28.5 into 2 into root 3 and divided by root 3, that is root 3 square, and that is 3. This implies CD is equal to 285 point cancel upon 10 into 2 divided by 3 root 3. 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, and 5 7s are 35, which is divisible by 5, and 3 1s are 3, 3 19s. So CD is equal to 19 root 3 meter. Answer. In triangle ABD, AB is equal to 28.5. Total height we have AE, that is 30 meter, and 1.5 meter tall boy BE. We are subtract 30 minus 1.5, that is AB is equal to 28.5 meter. And in triangle ABC and in triangle ABD, first of all we are taking in triangle ABD, AB upon BD is equal to tangent 30 degree, and tan 30 equal to 1 upon root 3. Value of AB is 28.5 divided by BD equal to 1 by root 3. Root 3 multiplying by 28.5, we get the value of BD is 28.5 root 3, equation first. And in triangle ABC, AB upon CB, AB upon BC equal to tangent 60 degree, value of tan 60 is equal to root 3, AB is 28.5 upon BC. This implies BC equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. It's equation second. We want to find the distance. Find the distance he walked towards the building. BD. BD can we write it as BC plus CD, and we have BD equal to 28.5 root 3 and BC is equal to 28.5 divided by root 3, and putting the value of BD and BC in this, we get 28.5 root 3 equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. We are shifting left side, and CD is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 divided by root 3. LCM is root 3, and we are taking common 28.5 in numerator. We get root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. Root 3 multiplied by root 3, that is 3. 3 minus 1 equal to 2 divided by root 3. Rationalizing both sides, root 3 divide and multiply. Denominator will be root 3 square is 3, and numerator is equal to 28.5 into 2 into root 3. 28.5 can be write it as 28.5 285 upon 10 into 2 root 3 upon 3. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 57 5s are 285, and 57 divides 3, 19 3s are 57, 19 root 3. So distance CD is equal to 19 root 3 meter. Answer. Thank you so much.